Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making seafood okra soup. So let me take you step by step how I made it. These are the list of my ingredients. Feel free to pause and then reward the ingredients. Into a clean pot, I add the already washed, cleaned sea catfish. This is not the ordinary fish that we see in the pond. This is from sea. In a fake, it is called inanga. So I arrange it well to fit in the pot. Then I add a mixture of blended pepper and onion. Use pepper to your taste. This is a seafood, so you need a lot of pepper. I season with a nut cube. Fish doesn't take long to cook, so after 5 minutes, I add some palm oil. After adding the palm oil, I go in with baby crab. Give it a gentle stir. Here I am being more careful so that the fish will not, get scattered. After stirring, I cover the pot to cook for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I add more water to form the soup base. After gentle stir again, I add the shrimps, some crayfish, and cover the pot to cook for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, for the fish not to scatter, so I took all the fish out from the stock, so that I can be able to add the okra and stir it very well. After adding the okra, I add some shelled periwinkle. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you very much. I appreciate you. Please pardon me, I never knew that my phone was not recording. When I added the fish, I just introduced the fish. After introducing the fish, I allow it to come together for 2 minutes and I spice it up with the uziza leaf. I stir it to combine and immediately off the gas. And our soup is ready. The taste will wow you. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Save it, share it to your friends and well wishers. Tell me in the comment section what is the good pay for this.